welcome back to another Edith Noble video. And today, my mom and I are doing an idea that she actually came up with called 5 Days, 5 Braids. And we're gonna do a hair tutorial on 5 different types of braids. And as you may know, she does my hair for school every morning, which means that I can pretty much only do a ponytail on myself. So she and I will show you my 5 favorite braids, and let's just do it. Okay, so for the first hairstyle, we are doing double braids, just standard French
reverse.
2 braids, reverse.
Reverse.
Yes. Reverse French braids.
So for the first thing, I always split the hair, Edie's hair, in 2 sections. Straight down the middle, she holds a section, and then I work on a section. I prefer a reverse French braid, a little bit more fun. So the way we do a reverse French braid is you take 3 strands, 1, 2, 3, just like you would a normal braid. And with the French braids, you put it over top. Reverse, you put the strands underneath. So it's just like a regular French braid, only instead of putting the strands underneath, as you add, you put them underneath. So if you need to know how to learn how to do a French braid, watch a different tutorial, come back, and then do this.
Okay, now we will take this out. And pose number 2, we're gonna do a side French braid, which is one of my favorites. I had this for like my first day of school for a bunch of years. So it's just, I think, 1 braid on the side that joins with another like here, and then makes just 1 big side braid. Okay. Feels so sad.
So for this one, touch your head a bit. You take a section in the front, you pull it to the side here. Just like that. Nice part. So you have this piece here. Edie will hold this over here. So again, I'm a big fan of reverse French braid. It stays in Edie's hair better. So I do a reverse French braid in the front.
Your elbows.
Alright, so this is step 1. We have the side braid right there. Side braid. See the part line. So now Edie holds this. And now Edie turn this way. So now Edie turns, let's see, maybe this way. Turns this way, and now I start braiding on this side over here now. On the last section here, then now you incorporate this braid into the big braid. So you incorporate the side braid into the big braid, you just pull it all up in there, it becomes part of that section. So here, so we have the side braid, and then we have coming from here all the way around, do the last strand, connect it in, and you have your hair.
Okay, so our day 3 braid is braid into a bun, and it's just braid that then you put into a bun and you have a braid into it. It looks pretty cool. I like it.
You can do a braid with a bun. You can either do a thick braid or a thin braid. We'll do a thick braid so you can see it easily. So just again, another side part. You decide where you want the part. section off that front. So you have your front section, Edie's holding the back section here. And we're going to braid it here. Alright, so after you have it braided down, that's about long enough. We'll get Edie to hold the front. Again, she's my helper. Spin to the back. We got our back. And we'll pull it up into ponytail. Edie will take the bobby pins. Come up in a ponytail, take the braid, incorporate the braid into the bun, into the ponytail. Now we have the braid, the ponytail. Now you don't have to braid it. I braid it just to keep it in place for the day. Let's do a quick little braid. Doesn't need to be perfect because it's going into the bun. You just wrap around. And you take your bobby pins and you position them in. There you go. So here we have our bun, our braid, wraps around to the front, and here is the front.
The fourth pose, day 4, is 2 braids into a ponytail, which is kind of similar to the last one. But the bun is a ponytail and there are 2 braids.
So for this one, we go back to parting the hair down the middle. So we'll part the hair. A nice part. We got a nice part in Edie's hair, and we just take part of her hair. So not all of it, just part of it, and we're gonna braid that part. So again, reverse French braid. Just braid it part way. Just rubber band right there. This way we just take another section. Yeah, this section parted. So turn this way so as you can see here. And we pull it up into a ponytail. And you tilt back. Look to the side, look to the side.
I don't know how, because I can't see. Hopefully I'm getting there. Okay, day number 5, braid 5, is going to be a crisscross into a braid.
Or into a ponytail.
Into a ponytail. Crisscross into a ponytail.
Alright, so again, we part Edie's hair. It's already parted. We'll do a front part. We're going to reverse French braid this section first. Okay, so braid part of it, enough to reach a ponytail. Alright, so you hold that. You hold that. Now, over here. So now we have this hair right here. We want to do something with it. So I'm going to start a part over here. So tilt your head. I'm going to start a part over here. And my goal will be to incorporate this into that. If you look here, I have a part going here. So we braid it out about this far. Now if you look, we have this braid going this way. We have this braid going this way. Now we pull back the braids. So actually, why don't you turn it? We pull back the braids. Figure out actually. So now you can see you got a braid this way, a braid this way, and then the ponytail at the end.
Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you like it and subscribe for lots more tutorials and challenges and all kinds of stuff. Bye.